Welcome back to the second video, the second part. We have seen the video one, which shows you the desk management in these two lists where you can make a new reservation, your employee using the SharePoint form of the desk management solution provided by Room Manager. Now, in this video, I would like to show you the approach how you can use Power Apps, the mobile app, on the devices of your employees to make the same approach like you have seen in the video one directly from the mobile app. Let's see and jump into the presentation. First, you will receive a Power App solution package from us, and your Power App administrator or your Office 365 administrator will just import this app to your environment. Once it's imported, you can easily share it with your audience by entering the email address, the group name, or whatever, and the users will be informed on their device that the Power App has been shared with them. Prior to do that, it is needed that the employees download the Microsoft native Power App from iTunes for iOS or from Google Play for Android devices. That's all. And so the user gets the notification, and once he gets the notification, he can start the Power App solution for desk management and desk booking. We have three screens. One is the dashboard screen showing a personalized message by your name and then the upcoming reservations that are for me. So these are previous bookings. All these informations, they are coming from the desk reservations list on your SharePoint Online. So this mobile app is linked to the desk reservations site, the desk management site, which runs in Office 365. There is a second screen, the My Appointments, and the My Appointments screen shows all the upcoming appointments or the upcoming bookings that I have done. There is an option for the employee to check in. There is a rule behind this check-in. We want to prevent that the desks are booked and no one will take place. We will prevent no-shows. This is an issue as well for meeting rooms. Somebody books the desk, books the meeting room, but does not use it. So the flow behind this check-in is that when the user does not check in this desk reservation of 7, for example, which is starting at 9 a.m. There's a rule of 10 minutes, for example. Latest at 9:10, when the user does not check in, the desk 7 will be released, meaning that it will become available for others, or the user can as well cancel it directly, this desk reservation, from his device. So when I click on cancel, you see desk 7 disappears and the others are showing up. My previous bookings as well are listed in this list. At any time, I have a history of the desk bookings that I've done. And last but not least, how do I reserve a desk? So I go to this book calendar here. In this screen, you see the same logic, the different locations that my organization with different desks supports: New York, Zurich, and London. So let's say I want to reserve a desk in London. I select it from the drop-down. I click on continue and the calendar showing up. I can select just a single day, or I can select even a range of day from 23rd till 26th. So let's say this is a desk booking for the 26th that I would like to make from the mobile app. There is a time frame that I can select predefined from 8 a.m. till 5 p.m. And let's see if there is a free desk for February 26th from 8 a.m. till 5 p.m. by clicking continue. And the system shows all available desks for this date and time range. It lists all the desks with information about the location, as well with desk description, detailed information. Additionally, we have here an information button. When you click on that, it shows, for example, on the floor 1 in London, these two desks, desk 2 and desk 3, where they are located. And the user can select one desk or even multiple desks. This is a setting that can be configured. So let's say I'm keen on this desk 2. I say continue. Desk 2 is booked from Friday, February 26th from 8 till 5 p.m. I can confirm that. The confirmation is given. Desk 2 is booked. And when I switch over to the desk booking site, desk reservation, you see it has immediately updated the desk reservations list with all the details directly from the Power app, from the mobile app that I have done. Here is the new ID, 8 to 5, as you can see, with a duration of 15 hours. And that way we can use this very powerful mobile app as well for doing a desk booking through the employees' smart devices, mobile devices.